Ito na. Ay! Charot.
You'll be judged.
Okay, kasya naman ako sa... Ayan, direct congratulations. Wow, we were blown away by the trailer. Nung binubuo mo ba to, what was going through your mind?
When we first did the trailer, it had the story in it. It was a longer version of it. And then, since it's a pre-launch, Netflix told us, let's keep it fast, quick, and more like a sizzle reel rather than a real trailer. So we just picked the best visuals for both worlds. We have the capital and then the Matungao, and then put it together in one, exciting reel. The idea behind the teaser is really, one, to show the expanse of the show, how big the show is. Number two, to showcase the cast, the number of cast members and characters that we've introduced in this new one. And the third one is to sell the idea that it's an action series.
It is. Grabe, ang ganda ng handling nyo. I was talking to Don Don. Ang ganda ng handling nyo kay Anne, kay Gerald. I mean, we were blown away. If I'm coming in with fresh eyes, I would never have thought noon time show host si Anne. Talaga, tsaka si Gerald, di ba, burado lahat ang preconceived notions ko sa pagkagiging aktor nila and welcoming them as action stars.
And it's a difficult look for the two main characters because number one, with Anne, we've cut her hair 2 years ago. Right? We were figuring out what kind of hair we have. We started with a wig. I said, this is the kind of look that we want, but the wig doesn't work. So it has to be you cutting your hair. And Anne is a very, very famous influencer, fashion icon, right?
Correct.
So we had to go back and forth. Is this a good hair? Is this a good hair? And then immediately, boom, she just cut her hair and she said, Direk, I'm gonna hide this anywhere I go. It's just gonna be wigs. I'll keep it surprising for everybody. So she's been donning that hair for 2 years now.
Grabe.
And it's only now that she started revealing it,
and
right?
Parang nagiging trend na nga siya, wala pa yung 9 episode series ng Bible. How will you, I know how you create worlds, but how are you, doing it in a compact 9 episode series?
It's tough. It's tough. Because you want to showcase, bigness. But at the same time, you want the world to be clear, right, and understandable, and making the Philippines federalist government, and then prisoners being brought to another island. It's a lot to digest. So we need some clarity in that 9 episodes that we're discussing, right? On the other hand, also just a continuation of how tough the working conditions are for the lead characters. There's also Gerald, who has 3 looks because for the whole 9 episodes, he goes through different transformations.
Phases.
Yeah. So he has to have a beard. Good thing he grows his beard really fast. So 5 days is what we need for his original look, and then 8 to 10 days is when the second phase.
Okay.
And then the last phase is the bearded look, which takes him 15 days maybe to put it all together.
Ano lang ako, direct, sabi mo kanina, you veer away from being political. But your projects end up being political. What's the irony, right? Can you talk about that?
I think for Filipinos and for Filipino movies, right, it's hard to get away from being political. So with this one, the way we avoided it is really to talk about the dystopian setup of a new Philippines. Because then it takes us away from the headlines. Hindi na namin kailangang i-discuss pa yung mga yun. Diba? Because it's a new world that's imagined. And it's a world that doesn't exist in the Philippines. But in a way, it still brings in characters that are familiar to us. No?
Federalist, charot. Gusto mo yan. Parang alam na natin yun. Okay, move on tayo. But talking about stories that travel, right?
Yeah.
Like, you've been doing that ever since. What's your vision for the Philippines, for us to achieve it? I know you'll have your MMFF, you have many in the pipeline with Coco. Ano yung vision mo para rito? You recently signed in Andrea Brillantes.
Yeah.
Anong plano mo sa
Well,
kanya? Anong
when
plano mo
when
sa
Don Don
kanila?
and I started Reality MM, which used to be Reality Entertainment, when we started that, we knew that the Philippine market is full of really talented producers and filmmakers. That if we don't find a niche on the stories that we're telling, if we force ourselves to just do Filipino, mainly Filipino, we will have a difficult time getting a part of the pie, right? So early on, we decided, we want very local movies that travel, that has an international appeal to it. And we tried several things. Some didn't make it. But then when it made it, we started working on that for our stories, right?
Yun yung parang yung nuclei niya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eh, kasi nakakatuwa ako, last na lang, no, yung mga artista that you work with, Ann Curtis, Gerald Anderson, now Andrea Brillantes. Ano,
Yeah.
makikita rin ba natin si Andrea sa mga ganitong
We
mga
are working on a
vibes?
project with Andrea right now, which is a fun project for her. But it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be fun. It's scheduled to shoot for next year. Not with me, but we're on top of it creatively. It's a project that both of us, Don Don and I, are excited about.
Action din ba?
No.
Wow.
Basta,
Oo.
Juan.
Thank you so much, Direk.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
MJ.
thank you. Hindi mo ako nawala sa frame. Ay, hindi naman. Thank you.